Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today we will talk about how you can connect one Windows machine to another Windows machine via remote desktop service. Okay, and we will discuss about if we forget to enable any checkpoints or any remote desktop connectivity, then how we will face some sort of issues. So let's start without wasting time. And I just installed one of guest Windows 10 machine in VirtualBox, and I'm going to test with this machine to my base machine. Okay, now the important part is I'm going to take RDP first, and let's see I'm able to connect or not. So I'm just typing RDP, and this is the actual IP address that is assigned to my VirtualBox machine. I'm going to click connect and see is initiating remote connection but unable to connect. The first option is not connecting. Okay, now I cancelled it and going back to my machine, and the first and initial step is to verify whether the remote desktop connectivity is enabled or not. So this is File Explorer window. You can right click on this PC and go to properties and go to advanced system settings, and then very last tab, that is remote. If you come to here and see, don't allow remote connections to this computer. Okay, so I'm going to allow that, and sometimes this check marks is also enable when you select first time. Okay, so I'm going to just click OK, and we'll try again and let's see what is happening. So I'm going to connect again. See, I'm able to come to this page and trying to hit my user ID and password, and let's see what exactly error coming. Now we can see an authentication error has occurred. The function requested is not supported. Remote this one, and anti-LM authentication being blocked on the computer. Now if you review and just come back to this remote desktop and review, this is the option that allow connections only from computers running remote desktop with network level authentication. Okay, so most of the time we used to disable this, uncheck this option to if any user is not part of this window or Active Directory or anything, or any network level of authentication is required, we can ignore that part and we can simply apply. Okay, so we just need to connect this machine, right? So on that situation, I just uncheck that option and coming back and let's try to connect